So today we're having a seminar with some special guests from TPL. They are a famous kind of group from Korea where they use science to teach certain techniques from Taekwondo.
Every connect, 1, 2, 1.
Today the masters are helping us explore different abilities and skill sets, along with the gainer, aerial, a lot of different coordination skills that we're willing to learn, so definitely a lot of fun.
It's kind of new for me.
Really easy to understand, so it was a nice class.
I've been trying so many times. I've been spinning. My head's dizzy, my legs hurt, but I'm sure that soon enough I'll get it.
We'll be able to keep doing this after they leave, and we'll be able to all nail this down.
Horse stance. Good? And hook kick. Long stance. Okay? And repeat. 반갑습니다. 저희는 태권도 퍼포먼스 랩이라고 하는 팀이고요. 저희는 이제 저희가 연구했던 내용들을 방향으로 오늘 미국에 와가지고 이렇게 세미나를 진행을 하고 있습니다.
네, 오늘 이렇게 세미나를 하게 됐는데 이제 많은 친구들과 이렇게 교류를 하면서 저희 이제 지식들을 알려줘가지고 너무 재밌고 이제 앞으로 이 친구들이 이 기술을 통해서 많은 영향력을 받아가지고
When you learn it, you get the hang of it, and you know how to do it. And it's really cool when you show it off to your friends.
이제 고공기술 하고 고공기술을 저희가 3시 10분 시작해서 3시 40분이나 50분까지 끝내고 3시 50분부터 4시 40분까지 하려고.
I am really excited about this. The instructors from Korea have been so helpful. And these kicks, they're really hard, but they break them down to easier steps for us.
Hook kick finish is long stance. Long stance mean is I can going to down and swing.
I'm used to more sparring, not more performance, but yeah, it's always great to try something new.
And we're going to connect here. And bang. Understand? Yes, sir. So we practice this move many times. Okay? You.
I think it's really cool to be trying out new things.
We have a very specific list of students that are trying to do their best to learn the more that they can from them.
I think it's pretty nice. We got to learn a lot of cool kicks, a lot of spinning. It was a nice class.
Just elbow flexion. Okay? Just elbow. Okay?
So I think it's going to be a lot of fun today.
이런 기회가 많이 있기를 바랍니다. 감사합니다.
Yes, sir!